Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings. You will go to settings like this. How to fix the problem of settings on Hacoo app. We click on this window of settings, then we click on apps as you see here. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this page of Hacoo. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.